Hello everyone, here it is finally, my birthday art supplies haul. For my birthday, my family got together and they gave me a bunch of money just to be used for art supplies, which I didn't mind at all. And it took me a while to figure out what to get, so I waited, and so this is about a month late. Plus, I was waiting for this particular thing to come, and there was a problem with it, so it finally arrived a few days ago. Now I'm taking the time making this video for you guys to share what I got for myself and to say thank you everyone for the great birthday gift. So we'll start with the item that arrived late. It's a beautiful book called A Sky Longing for Memories, and it's the art of Makoto Shinkai. And you might know him for his movies such as 5 centimeters per second. It's actually mostly about that one. And then you also have A Place Promised in Our Early Days, Voices of a Distant Star, and you might actually know him because of his very last movie that was a huge hit called Your Name. Came out last year in the US, and it's really beautiful. Too bad it's not in there, but it probably needs a book of its own. The music is lovely as well. So what this book is, it's mostly about those 3 movies, and it goes from scene to scene talking about the artwork, how they did it, where they got the ideas from, and all that. So it's really cool. At the end, there's some interviews, but you know, I'll just have an actual better review of this, and then I'll show you right away the other book, which is The Art of Miyazaki, Spirited Away. And I'd like to actually have a collection of all those, all that series, the Art of Miyazaki books. This one is just for one movie, and it starts with the sketches, and then it goes, you know, more in detail later on. Again, I'll have a full review of this in another video. So that's my 2 books right there, and I'll have more because like I said, I want to really collect the whole series. And before we go to the art supplies, I want to show you this as well. It's a CD. I haven't opened it yet, but I've listened to it several times. It's actually funny because on my way to visit my mom's this summer on the plane, I was really tired and I wanted to sleep, but it was loud and I had a hard time, and I decided to turn on the music that's offered on the little screen in front of me. And I just plugged my earphones, and then I wanted something quiet, and I just end up on, you know, listening to this, which Danny Elfman is a great composer. He's composed music for many movies, and I didn't know he actually made music for ballet, and it's fun. It doesn't have all quiet pieces, but it's just fun and relaxing music at the same time. So I thought when I get home I wanted to buy it. So that's part of my little loot, but I'm going to show you the art supplies now. So nothing fancy, just wanted to get another color, another watercolor, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is I don't know if I'm going to say it properly, Anthraquinone Blue by M. Graham, and this is watercolor. And this is a swatch that I made with it. And I just wanted to try a new blue. It's really pretty. And then just because this was on sale, that's the only reason why I got it. It's a gouache tube. It's a permanent rose. It's Winsor & Newton. So I've got these. Then everywhere on YouTube I see people using the silver black velvet brushes when they do their watercolors, so I just wanted to try it. So I got a 6 round, and I'm gonna see Gonna have to see how good it is. It's very pointy. So I don't know if it's, I think it's like a squirrel or maybe faux squirrel, I'm not sure. It comes from Sri Lanka, I didn't even know. So I'm gonna have to try this. I hope it's good. Then, because I had ran out, I got another package of empty half pans. You know, because when I buy tubes, I need somewhere to put them. And then something I should have bought a long time ago. I get to use this already once. Oh, yeah, it actually shows. It's just to empty my tubes and to get, you know, to empty and to get the most of it. So you basically just catch it here and squeeze, and then you just, I'm not gonna do on this one, but and then you just turn this and it grabs the tube and it goes through, and then it just really take everything out of the tube and you don't waste any paint. So it's really cool. I'm so happy I got this. It works really well. Then I got this on Amazon. Pretty much, I think everything I'm showing you right now as I got on Amazon actually. So I was looking for a palette to put 24 colors in it, and not necessarily something that already had colors in it, but this looked like a really cool palette, and then I thought I would just remove the colors that came with it and just fill up the half pans with tube paint. I'm not going to open it right now because I just have a video coming up that actually gives you a review of it. But it was really cheap, so I thought I'd get it rather than getting an empty pan. So you'll see, you know, just come back, check back in a few days, and I have uploaded the video for this review. So I've got this, and I decided to try the premium watercolor by Arteza, and I got the big set, the 24 set. I tried the gouache before, and I tried the colored pencils, and I thought they were pretty good. They're not professional quality, but they're more than student grade, so it's kind of in between. So I wanted to see what these look like. So, and that's the reason why I get this, because I wanted to, they're tubes. I'll show you real quick, but again, I'll have also a review on these. So they come in tubes. So I wanted to not make a mess, but I wanted to empty them in half pans to test them out, and that's the reason why I wanted to get a palette that accommodated 24 colors. So again, a review coming up really soon. And also by Arteza, I just wanted to try this. I don't know why. It kind of appealed to me. It comes with a water brush and has another brush in there, so I don't know, maybe I can just open it right now, see what it looks like. But again, I'm gonna make a review video of this. And I don't know why it says a set of 2 watercolor kit. I'm not sure what they mean by that. Because maybe that's because it comes with the extra water brush. I'm not sure. But that was really cheap, just like the box of tubes was really cheap, so I thought, hey, what the heck, let's give it a shot. Ugh. Here it is. So it really looks like a kid's palette, but who knows. It says classic. I'm pretty sure that the video that's on the the Amazon product page says that it's like a, not necessarily professional, but premium or high quality or something. So it should be better than a kit set. Let's check the brush. The brush, this is wood. It does look better than a kit set, which is usually a brush with like plastic bristles. So I don't know, we'll see. This kind of looks like a Pentel brush. That has a super fine point. Anyway, again, keep your eyes peeled for a review video. And then I think we have one more item, and that's the last one, but definitely not the least. Been wanting to have one of those for a long time, and I finally had the money to do it, so here it is. Oof. I got an airbrush set. So this is a 0.0 set that comes with everything. The compressor, as you can see right here, the hose, it has a little brush holder. I'm guessing you put it here somehow. I have to figure it out. Then you can put 2 brushes on it. And then it actually comes with 3 airbrushes. I'm going to put this away. I'll show you the brushes. So it comes with a CD that shows you how to use it. I've never used that before, ever, but I've always wanted to try. So here it is. Do I need to tell you again that I will have a review video for this? So there are 3 different brushes. We have this here, and this one here, and this one here. So it's not like a super duper high quality, because I couldn't afford that, but I think that with all the research I did, for a very beginner like me, this seems to be a good set to start. And if the compressor is pretty good, then all I need to do, if I'm really serious about it, is later on invest in a higher quality brush, which is easy to find, but you know, I have to save my money for it. But I need to find out first amongst these 3 which kind of brush I like best, and also if I'm really serious about airbrushing. I think that one of the reasons I wanted one of those is to do the backgrounds for my colored pencils drawings, so that it would go faster, and also using it to apply gesso on some paper or other surfaces to apply it evenly. Maybe use it with inks. I'm not quite sure yet. I have to start, you know, checking out all the possibilities, but I'm really excited that I was finally able to get one of those. And I think I'm going to be busy in the next few weeks trying out all of these. Oh, I have to show you something else. If I can find it. Oh yeah, so I got brush cleaner as well, and I got, just because it was cheap and I thought it was cool, a little paint mixer. So it's like a little blender. You put this here, and when you pour several colors in the little container for the airbrush, you just like put it in and you just mix the colors with it. That's all. But I think it might be a nice way to blend the colors well. because I don't think it's very easy to, well, I guess I could just put colors in a separate cup and then put it here, but I think putting the colors straight in here and then blending them with this might waste less color, I think. Maybe. I don't know. I'm a newbie and I'll figure things out. Maybe it's totally a waste, but who knows? We'll see. So that's it for today. That's my little birthday haul, and I'm super happy with it. Thank you for hanging out with me and sharing what I got for my birthday. I'll say it again. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. And again, remember, I'm going to have a lot of review videos coming up really soon. So come back soon. See you later. Bye-bye.